kids are grown. Go. Let's say, horse! Thank you for having me. I was very shocked when I got the phone call, but I said I'll be here, and I'm here, and I'm having a good time. All of you young people, go back and check out your history. Know your roots. If you know your roots, you can stand strong. If you know your roots, you'll find out about yourself. The art talks to us every single day. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. You understand? And above all, stick with your teacher and listen. You may not agree with him all the time. He may do something to tick you off. But you know what I always say? How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Okay, then you stick with it, you go through whatever. Because whatever happens in the dojo is small in comparison to what happens in the street. And in the street, there is no mercy. There is no yame. You understand? There's only you. And you get to choose whether you come home, go to the hospital, visit the morgue. And as I always say, it is better to be tried by 12 than buried by 6. You understand? Alrighty. I wouldn't tell you a little problem. I'll tell you one quick story. I got jumped by 16 people. Okay? And now don't ask me what I did because I don't know. But between the idea of getting jumped, somehow or another I was fighting, and then I was back to dojo. I cried when I got back to dojo because I thought I ran. I pulled myself together, I called the police because they stole my bike. And we went back to Jefferson Park. And when I went to Jefferson Park, everybody who was in the pool started climbing over the fence, shaking my hand, patting me on the back, and asking me, where did I learn what I learned? And at that point in time, I began to feel better about myself, and I thought I ran. Martial science doesn't work on a conscious state of mind. It's a subconscious. You got to put in 1,000 hours a year. 1,000 hours a year. Your instructor gives you 480-something hours a year. You have to make up the difference. And in some cases, some people, 7 days a week, then they might be giving you almost 800 hours a year. You still got to make up the other 2. You understand what I'm saying? You don't train, you don't survive. You don't survive, somebody's going to cry for you. I'd rather have somebody pat me on the back and somebody did a good job than to cry. With that, I leave you. Thank you.